Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I am back. I am doing a new video with some old product that's been released. I guess I don't even remember when this was released. It's 2022 Panini Capstone Baseball. I guess this is the very first time that they've released this. I guess it was in December they released it. Yeah, so there's the box. Debut edition 2022. 2 autographs, 2 memorabilia on average. There's some of the product. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of non-licensed product, but was on sale at my local card shop, so I figured why the hell not. Alright guys, let's just get into it. Dollar Deals 007 on eBay. Like, subscribe, and comment here. Let me know what you're looking forward to, the upcoming releases. I'm still waiting for Series 2 hockey, which they keep pushing back. Now it's April 5th. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be the Toronto Expo that they release it on, so which is probably the second to last weeks of April, which is sad. So, also the playoffs for hockey. Jesus, they're pushing it to June. I'm like, are you kidding me? It's like June is just not the time for hockey. It's like summer. Anyways, so what do we got? 8 cards per pack, 12 packs per box. This is what the packs look like. There's a little bit more information if you want to scroll in and take a peek. I'm using a different microphone now, so I'm not sure if we can tell where the autographs on these things are. I'm not sure. So anyways, these are the base cards, or the rookie base. Very colorful. Robert Suarez. I like Bomb, that's the base card. Another rookie, Ronci Contreras. This is whatever. Here's a red one. These are not numbered. These ones are, I'm not sure what these ones are called. I guess it's a gold. This one is like just a gold. There's silver hollow too. That's gold. Not numbered for the gold. Is it like there's 2 different types of base cards? Luxury suite. These are the luxury suite checklist, I guess. Sure. There's a Cormick. This one's not numbered either. There's a red one. I'm being very helpful right now, aren't I? So the base regular is just up to 100, and then there's a luxury suite, and then there's up to 200, and then there's yeah. So anyways, and these are some of the inserts. Velo, Max Scherzer. So yeah, here's your first look at, basically, there's the back. They really don't do much on Panini's backs. I'll try to hold back, like, if I can find the auto or whatever. Anyway. There's the Bryce Harper base. J.P. Crawford. Ryan Zimmerman. Josh Bell. The rookie Johan Duran. Still not numbered. Cody Bellinger. Trevor Larnach. And Mookie Betts on the crest. Next pack up. Yeah, this is one of our memorabilia cards. So let's pull from the back. There's a Logan Gilbert. Ian Happ on the red. There's a Francisco Lindor on the summit. Jorge Mateo. Lucius Fox. Sean Matea. And Austin Hayes on the red. And it's for Minnesota is Joe Ryan. There is our first memorabilia card. The dual mem. Encloses player worn used materials guaranteed. A very fuzzy piece of something. Is that like a sock? I don't know. I don't know if that's a sock or not. It's a rookie though, at least. I like Joe Ryan. There we be. Certainly is a lot of base for these cards. Okay, so Matt Olson, Josh Donaldson, Manny Machado, Jose Abreu with a line in it. So with these cards here, you can really pick up a lot of the flaws. Hunter Green, rookie red, Max Scherzer. I like the design of the luxury suite ones. Garrett Cole and Big Bang on the insert. If anybody's trying to fill these sets for capstones, message me and let me know so we can, like, instead of listing them. Chris Bryant, Key Brian Hayes, Dylan Cease, Jose Altuve, Fernando Tatis on the red, Aaron Nola, luxury suite. And there's a, I don't know why we only got one luxury suite in that one. And a Rodolfo Castro rookie. I'm assuming that's a gold. And a New Age, Bobby Witt Jr. That's a nice one. Actually, let's leave up the Bobby Witt. Last pack from the right side. Still no auto yet, which is weird. Probably one coming up. Molina, Delval, Louis Gill rookie, Kyle Muller. There's a, I guess these are the gold. Hollow gold out of 25, 15 out of 25 Louis Gill. There is like a slight line right across the top. Charlie Blackmon. There's a Wander Franco. And a deja vu of Ken Griffey Jr., Mike Trout. Who knows what Wander will do this year, so hopefully he does something worth speaking of. I am testing out a new mic, so if you find that the sound is a little different, let me know if you'd rather hear me go back to regular. We have another mem coming up I'm not sure if it's a Mem Auto because it seems bigger. Pulled from the back, so Brian Reynolds on the Luxury Suite. Red Luxury Suite. Garrett Cole. Nick Lodolo on the rookie Velo. Luis Robert. Drew Ellis. Corbin Burns. Austin Hayes. Oh, we got an Aaron Judge. Austin Hayes. And make sure it's signed. Come on, signed. Yes! Love me some Aaron Judge. You can't go wrong with some Aaron Judge. And that's a peak. So, very nice. Give me some big sleeve. I don't have any 1 point or 30. This is a bigger point, so. Let's move the base out of the way and put my Aaron Judge there so you guys can see it. All right, guys. What we got? 5 more packs. Still looking for one more memorabilia card, unless that counts as one auto. Who knows? JT Martinez, Will Adames, Connor Seabolt, Tim Anderson, Joe Musgrove, Ozzie Albies, Lars Nootbaar. Have you been watching the Japan team and him playing first base for Japan? Good player. New age Trey Turner. Is that Aaron Judge one numbered, by the way? I didn't look. I don't see any numbers on it. Should be another mem card coming up. Kevin Gausman for Toronto. Nick Allen, red. Deja Vu of Fernando Tatis, Alex Rodriguez. Not numbered on that one. Jaron Duran. Gavin Sheets on the rookie. Nolan Arenado. And Jeff McNeil. And who do we have here? Adam Fraser for Seattle. And that's a New Age Materials. Sleeve Mr. Adam up. So just the one autograph left. If we're lucky and we don't get Panini'd. I don't want points, Panini. So I think that's the auto there. I do believe. Oh, maybe not. Mike Trout. Oscar Hernandez. Spencer Strider. Ronald Acuna Jr. Here's Julio. Put him aside to get it sleeved up. Albert Pujols. Kyle Tucker Gold. And Matt Olson on the Big Bang. Not numbered on that, but I will take a Julio, Mr. Rodriguez any day. All right. This might be our, yeah, this is our last autograph. So let's save that for last. So we'll just put it right there. Never know. Might be a nice one. I think I did see some green, so you never know. Oh. Oh, we got a redemption, too. Did we get a bonus auto? I think we might have a bonus auto, but there's a redemption in this pile here. So, Nestor Cortez, Spencer Torkelson, Stephen Kwan, rookie. Go from the back here. Shane Baz, very nice. Unsung Kim, Kevin Gossman on the velo, Matt Olson, and Kevin Smith auto. So we did get a bonus auto, so which is nice. Don't know too much about Kevin Smith. So we put Kevin Sleep Up Torkelson. All right. So Trey Turner, Fernando Tatis, Juan Yepez, Luis Urias, Josh Donaldson. Put this down right there. Seth Beer, Aaron Judge, and New Age Jazz Chisholm. So let's use the Julio. So here is the redemption. Baseball. Oh, it's baseball. Capstone Peak autographs, which is the same as this one here. So Peak autographs. Card number 4. Ken Griffey Jr. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Very nice. You can't go wrong with a Griffey. Everybody loves the Griffey. So that's a nice sweet box. We got a Judge and a Griffey. Got an extra auto. There is our 2 Mems and our Kevin Smith auto, and lots of inserts. We did get that Griffey Trout also, and we got some rookies. Luis Gill on the gold hollow foil. Sorry. So got some reds, got some golds, got some silvers. There we are, guys. So that is 2022 Panini Capstone. Don't run out and buy any if you don't need to, because it is unlicensed, but it is very nice to get a Ken Griffey Jr. for sure, and Aaron Judge for sure. So like, subscribe, and follow here. Drop a comment, and Dollar Deals 007 on eBay. Hit me up if you're interested in any of the cards. Thanks for watching. Till next time.